Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, to another video. How are we all doing? So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep condition using this heat cap. I have seen quite a few people, I was actually influenced by Instagram to get these because I heard a few people like talk about how great it is and it really helps like your hair grow. So I went on Amazon and I ordered me one. So I've used it 2 times now, and honestly guys, it's amazing. It's obviously like a cap, like it's got adjustable straps here, and you plug it into its power point and you pretty much sit there like you're a hair salon, and you get your hair nice and heat, and it's got like heating inside it. It's got like wires in there that kind of heats up as you put it on. So I thought I might show you guys how I use it, because my hair, guys, my hair has grown so much. Like since March it has grown a lot, and I'm so happy with that. So it is super dry right now, like you can probably even, and like probably really flaky as well. So and it's just been in a bun, and I put some like gel in there. I think that's why it's so dry. So we are going to deep condition it. So what I'm gonna do, in here I've got some of rosemary water and also cloves water in here, because you know everybody on on here talks about how cloves has really helped their hair grow. So why not try it? We are down to try anything that's natural that's gonna help my hair. So what I do is I have put it in a spray bottle, and I'm just gonna, oh crap, it's going everywhere. I think I'm just gonna do this in the bathroom and I'll come back with wet hair. Okay, so I'm back. I've just drenched my hair with water and also with the rosemary water. So now what I do is I like to go in with this brush. It's so good to just, I guess, stimulate my scalp, just so to activate that hair growth, I guess. And okay, so now that I've done that part, I'm gonna go in with this leave-in conditioner here, and this just makes my hair nice and soft. If you've seen my previous videos, then you know I use this quite a bit, just because I feel like it just makes my hair nice and soft. So then I completely drench it in that. Next thing I'm gonna go in is with this Rich Girl hair growth oil that I got off Amazon, off TikTok. It's one of those TikTok purchases. So then I go in and I completely massage like that in, like make sure I rub it in. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna go in is with it's like a hair growth serum that I bought. I'll put it in the thing, but I'll show you guys the container. So then I go in with a bit of hair growth serum, because people were raving on about hair growth serum, and making sure that I massage that in. The next thing that I like to go in with is this is like a shea, like a proper shea butter cream, and this is like literally, you can see it's not even melted. I like to go in with this, and this is like shea butter, literally supposed to be for your body, but I use it in my hair because shea butter is really good for your hair growth as well. So then I try and make sure I really put in quite a bit of the shea butter. And that's what it looks like. Yeah. Once I feel like I have put in all the product and I have really massaged it in, then I go in with some cling wrap. Get some cling wrap. And I just wrap my hair in cling wrap. Oops. Making sure I really cover all my edges, because my edges are the main thing that I really want to grow. There you go. And then I go in, I'm gonna get a different bag. So this cling wrap wasn't really working so well, so I've just got a plastic bag, and I'm just gonna pretty much put it on my head. Okay, so I've got my plastic bag on, then I'm gonna get the heat cap. It's got an adjustable like strap there if you need to make it like nice and if you've got a big head or you want it a bit lot more tighter, that's what you do. And then I just grab this and I'll make sure my head is like completely covered in it. And then I get the strap. It also has like a zip, you can, because the zip is just to make sure. Yep, this is me. And so I'm gonna plug it in. And once you plug it in, then I just turn it on. So it has a light. I'm not sure if you can see it. So that's off and that's on. You can see there's a light. I know the light doesn't seem like it's on, but there's a light there. Fix this and it's got like a few steps, so there's like, so that's off and then you get one and then you go all the way. So I want my head to get like pull on, and as soon as you turn it on it starts heating up straight away. I can already feel like it getting warm, and I sit here for about maybe 20 minutes, sometimes more if I'm doing my hair or I've got a face mask on. and I just sit here and I try and edit videos, and then I try and relax. So I will be back in like 20 minutes. I might make it half an hour because it feels good, and this is really good if it's cold outside because it really keeps your head nice and warm. Anyway, I'll be back in half an hour, guys. So I'm gonna sit here for 30 minutes since I have nothing else to do and I really want my hair to be good. So yeah, take in 30 minutes. All right. So I've been on here for about 30 minutes and it feels so warm, honestly, guys. I don't even want to take it off anymore just because it feels so amazing. But I do have to take it off. Like, you can see how much like water has dripped from it. Luckily, I'm gonna go have a shower, wash all the products off, and then I'll come, like, you know, show you guys and then hopefully style it. So I'm just turning it off now. Oh my gosh, this is so warm, like, oh, that's why I don't want to take it off because it feels so nice and warm. And even this itself. You can tell that it's been on there for too long because of like the sweat mark that it just created on my face. But yes, look at it. It's like nicely pressed down. My hair is still nice and warm. I'm just gonna let it cool down and then I'm gonna go wash it off. And yeah, it feels so soft as well. What's that brush? It feels really soft, so that's it there. My scalp feels nice and clean. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go wash this off and then I will style it. So yeah, anyways, thank you. So I definitely recommend these because it has definitely helped my hair grow a lot. I have noticed how much it has grown ever since I started using these about a month ago. If you definitely need, you know, if you don't have time to go to the hairdressers to get a good, like, you know, deep condition, definitely try out the heat cap because it has definitely made a tremendous difference in my life when it comes to, like, you know, making my hair grow. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this video here. I will see you guys in my next video when I show you guys, I guess, how I style my hair. And until then, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.